Hi guys, welcome to Get Rebel Live TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for your support on this page, both in cash and in kind, and I thank you all my members. May Olodumare continue to support you. Please, if you want to become part of my members on this platform, please kindly make use of the join button down below to choose category, to choose any category of your choice. Being a member of this platform is a way of showing your support so that I can be able to continue with this task, with this job. I have so much to offer, I have so much to do, but unfortunately finances is slowing me down. Finances is slowing me down. I have so much to spend on, but at the same time I'm still happy with the way I am doing the little I can do, so that you guys can continue to learn from this page. My own task is to do research for you while you sit at the comfort of your home to enjoy my videos. Thank you very much. So today this video is mainly for Yoruba people, and for those of you who want to learn Yoruba. Learning Yoruba, if you want to understand Yoruba, you need to get Yoruba books to read, Yoruba story books. So these books that I'm holding in my hands are one of our oldest storybooks in Yoruba land. Some of you who are maybe above 40 years old now would know about this book. Above 40, it's been a long time that this book came out, and I will be showing you one by one. It's in Yoruba. In fact, I even urge those of you who want to learn Yoruba language to have a copy of these books. These are the books we read when we were in our secondary school in those days. These are the books that we read. Very dramatical book. The story, everything in this book. If you read it, if you read them, you are going to enjoy them one by one. So for those of you who know about them, I want to remind you to get a copy of this book again. And for those of you who want to learn Yoruba language, please get this book. So you can still go to my Ode Yoruba TV to subscribe there. Subscription is free. So we are teaching Yoruba language there, and as you are learning Yoruba, so I urge you to get a copy of our storybooks, the old Yoruba books that I have gotten, and they are in stock now for whoever wants to buy. So the number one I have here is this. I have Ireke-Onibudo, Ireke-Onibudo. So some of you will know this book. It's so very very dramatic. If you watch the if you read this book, it's pure Yoruba, the ancient Yoruba language, ancient Yoruba text. So you are going to enjoy the book. So you should have it in your library. You should have this one in your library. So this one is Igbo Olodumare. Igbo Olodumare. So anywhere you are, I'm going to send this book to you if you place your order. So I'm showing you now. So at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to place your order on my website. So this is Igbo Olodumare. Igbo Olodumare. This one is Irinkerindo Ninu Igbo Elegbeje. You know this book, guys. Irinkerindo Ninu Igbo Elegbeje. Irinkerindo Ninu Igbo Elegbeje by Dio Fagunwa. This one too. This Igbo Olodumare is by Dio Fagunwa as well. You all know Dio Fagunwa. This Ireke-Onibudo is as well by Dio Fagunwa. So these are the books that we read when we were younger. So Irinkerindo Ninu Igbo Elegbeje. This one is still, I've told you about this. This is Adiitu Olodumare. Adiitu Olodumare by Dio Fagunwa as well. So you all know Dio Fagunwa, Adiitu Olodumare. Adiitu Olodumare. And Ogboju Ode Ninu Igbo Irunmole. Ogboju Ode Ninu Igbo Irunmole. So this is Ogboju Ode Ninu Igbo Irunmole. So I'm going to direct you on how to place the order. So check the description section. I'm going to list these books there one by one and put the link straight to my website, straight to my store for you to place your order one by one, the price and everything, and I'll put it in a collection form. If you want to buy all, you can go to the collection, pick them one by one and add to cart. Then if you want to message me, if you have any difficulties in buying on my website or my store, I am going to reply to your WhatsApp message. If you need more information, if you need more information on that. So these are the storybooks that I want you to get. You know, very, very important for those of you who want to learn Yoruba language. If you have it as you are learning Yoruba language, this will help you. These books will help you to know how to pronounce Yoruba language. You know, to Yoruba alphabet, I mean Yoruba text, Yoruba words, Yoruba sentences. This book will help you to understand the deep Yoruba languages, you know. So place your order, check the description section. You know, this book, the first published was 1950. I said 40 years ago. It's not even, it's more than that. It's more than that. So this book was first published in the year 1950. You know, Ogboju Ode Ninu Igbo Olodumare, 1950. You know, this one is first published the Adiitu Olodumare first published 1961 Adiitu Olodumare first published 1961. Then Irinkerindo Ninu Igbo Elegbeje, this one first published 1954 first published. So then Igbo Olodumare first published. Igbo Olodumare first published is 1949. Igbo Olodumare first published 19. And this one Ireke-Onibudo first published. Ireke-Onibudo is first published is 1949. So these books are old books. So I want you to get one for yourself or get all of them for yourself. So check the description section of this video. I'm going to list them one by one. I put the link to get straight to the book. If you want to buy all, I'm going to put the collection of the books. You click the collection for you to place an order. So if you have any question for me, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number that is displayed on the screen. So thank you very much, guys.